Hey everyone, welcome back to this beautiful and blessed day. It is a very busy day. I'm actually going to be doing some of my daily cleaning and tidying up the house. I don't really have time to do a deep clean today, and I'm going to go ahead and save that for a different day. But there is stuff scattered everywhere, so I gotta pretty much pick everything up from the upstairs and tidy up the main floor as well to kind of get the house in order before we can do any relaxing. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Halina. I'm a mom of three. I do cleaning, organizing, decluttering, clean with me videos for cleaning motivation, as well as some DIY and design. And if this is the type of content that you enjoy watching, I'd be grateful if you gave this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and headed on over to my page where you can find other cleaning content to give you that motivation. Today's cleaning really started off in the master bedroom. There is stuff kind of scattered everywhere. I've had some of the baby things need to be put away. I've got like bottles I'm constantly drinking, and I've got like body armor right there, water. Some of that has to get cleared up, and I threw a bunch of things on the floor. So some of that is a laundry that needs to be taken downstairs and washed, and some of that needs to be, I guess, organized or thrown out. The master bathroom looks absolutely horrendous, and my entire house really needs a deep clean. But before I can do a deep clean in the next few days, I have to just tidy up. We've got so many things everywhere, so I'm going to empty out all of the trash cans upstairs, get rid of all of the trash, make sure that all of the laundry as well is taken downstairs, and then kind of just refocus on the space. That way, when I go in and deep clean in about like 2 or 3 days, I'm not picking up a bunch of miscellaneous things. I am just scrubbing bathrooms, dusting, and it's not as hectic. So summer is around the corner. My kids will be home a whole lot more because they are ending school in about 2 weeks, and I have been contemplating whether or not I should try doing day in my life videos. I would love to hear from you guys if that is something that you would like to see. My life isn't really very exciting. I'm just a mom. I do still work a little bit. I am in real estate, but I do a lot of mom content. I do a lot of things with my kids. So I'm curious if that is something that you guys would like to see a day in my life, especially in the summer when my kids are at home and we are going to be busy, busy, busy doing activities, trying to get out of the house, trying to do tons of yard work. Let me know in the comments if you guys would be interested in watching some of my day-to-day life. As you can see, there's stuff everywhere in my son's room. My daughter's room is tidier, but there are still things here. I just emptied the trash for both and I picked up all their laundry. I am not doing any more than this today. Their rooms, actually, we have to kind of go through and reorganize their closets. That is going to be part of their responsibility because I do not want to be the entire, the only one doing everything. And we're going to save that for the day that we're going to be doing the deep clean. So I just picked up and kind of threw some of the things out of the room that are dirty, that need to be washed. And we're going to refocus the energy on their rooms in 2 days when we do a deep clean. Laundry is going to be tough for me. It is never ending in our house, and I originally wanted to get 2 washers and dryers, but we went with the GE. It has a large capacity. It is such a wonderful washer and dryer. It also has steam feature, and it has a tank that you fill up once every few weeks, and it disposes the right amount of laundry detergent. It washes really well, so I've been super happy with it. With 1010, recommend looking at GE profile washers and dryers.
It was a Thursday night when I first saw you. Those green eyes caught me. Yeah, it was crazy. It was a Friday night when I first kissed you. You struck me like lightning. You broke my chains and released me. And days turned into nights on the couch in your apartment. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day.
I went to Aldi, we picked up some groceries, so now I got to kind of put everything away. And a lot of what you are watching today is some of my daily cleaning routine. Like on a daily basis, I am clearing up the countertops, we're doing the dishes, I'm doing some loads of laundry. I am picking up, after someone, I'm picking up something pretty much at all times of the day, and I'm doing some minor cleaning. A lot of the deep cleaning is kind of safe for the weekend where I have someone to watch the baby, whether it be my kids, whether it be a family member. So we save there's my daughter turning the camera. She's so cute. But we save a lot of the deeper cleaning for when I actually have full and dedicated times. During the week when I'm doing my daily cleaning, it's kind of broken up into small little segments. It's kind of whenever I have a few minutes, I'm just tidying up.
Come run. now I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7. Yeah, every day, I will come running, babe. Every day, yeah, every day, babe. We're on a journey, looking back on the things that we've taken for granted, but feels like we're learning to be better without what's been holding us back now. Let's move closer to a new history, find out what we can be together. Take my hand and we will conquer the world. This is our final chance. 'Cause one day we'll be looking back at this. We were in a big mess together.
We have intentions to remodel the kitchen. I'm hoping maybe in a year, maybe a little bit longer, but I can't wait to get lighter countertops. At our last house, we had white countertops, and I was able to see all of the dirt and the grime. And when I cleaned, I always ensured that the countertops were clean, that they were sanitized. Here, I feel like because it's such a speckled granite, you can't ever really tell. I'm constantly wiping the countertops down, but it does bug me that visually I can't tell that the counters are clean or that there isn't a bunch of like food particles all over it. So it does drive me crazy. I definitely wouldn't get the same granite again. That's a for sure. But I would get something lighter where you can see the crumbs a lot easier.
But we found a way to choose right from wrong. We found the strength to go on together. To go on together. Yeah. To go on together. To go on together. Moonlight and fire, dancing closely together and staying forever young. What about you and I then? Can we two find a way to align with each other? Let's move closer to.
I also know that people look at this mini fridge and say, why in the world is it here in the kitchen by the island when it's not a designated spot? Yeah, we're just going to keep that there temporarily until we remodel the kitchen. Eventually, that's going to be like a built-in thing, but we do utilize the mini fridge, and I really don't have anywhere to put it right now where it is of use. The pantry is completely full of like shelving and things like that, so it won't fit into there, and we really don't have another spot to put it, but we do use this mini fridge on the daily, so it's just going to kind of be awkwardly placed there for now.
New history, find out what we can be together. Take my hand and we will conquer the world. This is our final chance. 'Cause one day we'll be looking back at this. We were in a big mess together. But we found a way to choose right from wrong. We found the strength to go on together. To go on together. Yeah. To go on together. To go on together.
since we had the party, we did not put the coffee table back because my daughter is walking everywhere. Oh, look at the cute little walking shoes I bought for her off Amazon. They're like soft and they're kind of like they hold on to her feet like socks. I love these. Well, she doesn't like him, but I'm hoping she's going to leave them because she's going to have to start wearing shoes if she wants to go outside. Anyways, back to the coffee table situation. We haven't put the coffee table back since the party because my daughter's been kind of hanging out in this room and partying and walking everywhere. So eventually we're going to put it back, and I'm still looking for furniture. I think I have something narrowed down um, for the upstairs, but we're going to see. I want to like make sure I make the perfect decision, and of course I'm going to second guess it when I do make the decision. So when I finally get around to it, I'm hoping it's going to be the right decision and the right piece of furniture we get.
I don't wanna seem all rude, but I can't remember where I am. A mattress on an old wood floor and fragments of the night before. I don't wanna waste no time, and you don't wanna waste your love. Even though your kiss on fire, my mind is all blurry now. Feeling low, hard to breathe, but this I know.
So I bought this nursery rocking chair. My husband has to take it upstairs. So I thought this would be a whole lot easier move. It's clearly not. So I'm just going to kind of glide it over here and put it in his way as a reminder of take it upstairs. We are going to try and start transitioning my daughter out of our room. She's currently in a mini crib in the corner of our room into her own room, which she already has a crib set up. We're going to take that nursery chair up there so it's a lot easier for me to rock her, and we're going to slowly try and make the transition. I'm not entirely sure how that's going to work out. I still nurse her, so her being in my room has been a huge help because when she wakes up at night to nurse, it's really quick. She's such a quick nurser anyways. It just makes my life a whole lot easier when she's kind of near me and I can kind of put her back.
I won't leave. Waking up in a bed with my head on the chest that I don't even know, but I guess it makes sense. 'Cause I know we both learned everything that happened last night. So just come back to bed. I wanna hold you. Come back to bed. Oh, just come back to bed. I can tell what time it is. The thing is, I don't really care. 'Cause I got no place to be other than right here. You look so good wrapped in those sheets. You sound so nice, mumble while you sleep. Feeling low, hard to breathe, but this I know I won't.
I hope you guys got a ton of cleaning motivation. I know I definitely did. And I hope you guys got to see some of the things that I do on a daily basis. I'm doing dishes, I'm doing laundry, I'm vacuuming, we are cleaning floors here. We are picking up after everyone because I've got 3 kids. Let me know what you do differently on a daily basis clean. I would love to hear from you guys, and maybe I could use some of your tips or tricks or the things that you guys do because I am always looking for something to make my life easier. Also, if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and check out some of my other cleaning videos.